those are actually going to be to help keep. Oh, I know. Ow. Today, I want to show you something that's made a huge difference for Arlo on our drives, a backseat hammock setup that fits surprisingly well in the R1S. We found it on Amazon, and one of the things that really caught my eye was how well the gray color blends with the ocean coast interior. It honestly looks like it was made for the R1S. I'm always looking for a backseat extender because Arlo has more room to lie down, stretch, and move without slipping between the seats, and it keeps the interior way cleaner, which is always a huge plus. It feels sturdy too. There's a little mesh window up front, so he still gets airflow from the AC, which helps keep him nice and cool, especially since he has a lot of fur. It's also pretty flexible. The side panels zip up if you want to create a more enclosed space, useful if your dog's a scratcher, but I usually leave them open because he loves sticking his head out the window and those kind of get in the way. There are 3 main panels that can be folded up, so if someone else is trying to ride in the back seat with him, this allows them to do that. Little touches like that make it feel more thought out, and I love having that flexibility. There's a couple of big storage pockets, which are great for tossing in treats, his leash, or whatever else we might need when we go on a trip. One small note though, I grabbed the version that only has pockets behind the driver's seat. If you do want more storage, there's a different version with pockets on both sides, which is what I would definitely recommend. As far as safety, there is a built-in slot for buckling up your dog, and it actually comes with 2 of them, so that if you do have multiple dogs, you can buckle in both dogs. Now, Arlo is about 85 pounds, and it's held up well. The only thing I'd improve is the headrest straps. They work, but I do find myself tightening them every now and then, so they do loosen up over time. This thing is super easy to fold up, especially when not in use, and it's been super easy to wipe down and keep clean. They also make a dog bed styled topper that fits right on the hammock, and Arlo's been using it a ton on our longer trips. It's very soft and it stays in place, and it's machine washable, which I really appreciate because this guy likes to get muddy and very wet. Now, I just wanted to showcase what I've been using in my R1S, and we have another one in the R1T. I will drop the link below in case you're looking for something similar. I'm not sponsored by this at all. It's just something that we've been using a lot lately that made car rides easier with a pup and much more comfortable for all of us. But that is a wrap up. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. And as always, remember, adventure is always out there.